So within 6 months, that kind of property can become more appreciated. For 6 months, if you want to resell, you can resell. Or we can buy from you. So yeah, you put that in our own land banking is the most important. We buy from you. I am also the actual buyer. No, you show interest. It's one layer of your bumper. And you go there on a kai, it's a one more leper. I have one kind of cash investment plan where you invest money. If you don't want land, you say you want, but you have money. You make it if you make it in 6 months' time. You will sell it within 6 months' time, you get 25%. In a year time, you get 50%. And we have development plan. And buying the money along their house. Each year loan when usually break the bank to build that house. We discuss with us. I came back with because the costing of that project which I wrote. Then the engineer put all of that project in take all the 1 year. As we know project of 100 million, they divide that with 12. It's just 1 year. So if we end up every month, while we do your project. So it's like another people to start your project. TNCCT, but will enable you to monitor the project with us. If you do all of it. After a month, you start making your due payments towards while we develop your projects. These are the things I do every. There's never only a day actually I go online market. So if they can be part of it, I have a lot of food than because now the man of world and the matter is about the financial literate. I can marry much ego. Jamaga project carry Maurice. They got making a 1 million that project. In the end, among with you, because only information of the right place to put money can start with small and become very big. So that information I can able to sell to our people. This is and this company have been in the operation for over 20 years. And the same company have practiced this investment plan for over 6 years. So we are stable in what we are doing. And I know the social media, all the social media. I had this reason. Exactly, we know what we are doing. By nature, I think I want the bank, Arabia. Okay, here in the north, in the southeast and south. We are moving the Aglono project. I'm already making it. So even if you are giving 60% in South Africa, I can never in the economy. I want you to 40% more. But so we see if you go in town, you are not at the frustration. You are not about to do what you sit or what you are building for yourself. I got you.
That's awesome.
Awesome indeed.
Absolutely, that is powerful. Thank you for coming. As a matter of fact, I'm excited. Bishop Frank, I used to be in Johannesburg 25 years ago. Then we all started some 26 years in Johannesburg.
I did got you. I forgot to let you know something. When kind of one ad hoc investment. For people in Igbo, I bought everybody only in Igbo at that moment. And that one I worked 6 months or 5 months time, 50%. I was in a crop in Johnny investment maybe 20 million, 50 million. Within 3 days, if you find you're able to key into it, and that particular one. I got one in 6 months time or 5 months, you get 50% because of the company for that investment. And our investment plan, I will remember. I have the document to cover it with the Nepali post-dated check. You have to put your cash investment and your interest with the due date. So you know that they just pop it to your bank and clear your check.
It's excellent. Thank you for coming. Excellent. It's two things. Nobody will remember you. Nobody will remember you for what you did for yourself. You will only be remembered for what you did, both for God.
Corona for you. You want a table and I live. Corona for you. Now without problem, now I live. Corona for you. Now who be shop lord? Bola Mata. Now who they lead the road? Bola Mata. Now who they front? Bola Mata.